Hey guys, welcome back to the course. In this lecture we'll talk about adding AdSense to your website. After you got AdSense account, then adding AdSense ads to your site is very easy process. There is no extra science in that. After you have got AdSense account, you just write AdSense in Google, or you will see this Google AdSense page. Just click it and just enter your password and email which you entered while creating your account, I mean your Gmail account. So my email and password, I will click sign in to my AdSense account, and you can also go to your AdSense account basically. So this is the AdSense account in front of you. Last day I removed my AdSense codes for some reasons from my websites, therefore my earning from yesterday is very low, only $3, but before that I earned $16. Anyways, in this video we are talking about adding AdSense to your website. So first of all, you have to create an ad unit for your website. When you come to your AdSense account, so you will see this menu in the AdSense. The home will be showing this details in front of you: the today's earning, yesterday's earning, last 7 days, last 28 days, and current balance, the payment which you will get, and this one is the most recent payments. You can click this link to see the payments. You can go to view reports. You can integrate your AdSense account with the analytic tool. So and this is the important scorecard where you can see your progress in revenue optimization, multi-screen optimization, and site health. So I am actually going perfect in this, and I will also teach you in a later lecture that how you can just be perfect here. But you can see this 4 option. One is home, which is in front of you. The second is my ads. You can just click this my ads to get to the dashboard of creating ads and seeing all ads, and you can also allow and block ads which are being displayed on your websites, and performance reports can be seen by clicking this and also clicking this view reports option. Anyways, now we'll click my ads to see how many ads I have created. I have created many ads here. You can see, and all of them are active. They have unique IDs, and the size, the ad unit name is here, and when I created them, here are the dates, and these are the names of the ads that I have created. But you will get some more options here at left side, that custom channels, URL channels, experiments, search, ad styles, and other products. These are all things, but the simplest thing for you to create a new ad unit and insert into your site is just clicking this option, a new ad unit. Just click it, and you will see this page where you can actually make setting for this ad. So the first thing is to add a name to this ad unit. So this name is just for checking purpose, for memory, for records actually, and this name will not appear anywhere on your website. So I will add this a name like test1. This is the name. You can give any name. For example, you are creating this ad unit for a website about web development or about computers. You can give any relative name. Now the next important option is ad size. So you have to select the ad size very carefully, because you have to first choose the placement and your website. For example, if your website is on WordPress, you can check out your website. For example, we are adding an ad unit to this sidebar. So the ad unit for this sidebar will be, the perfect ad will be 300 by 250, 300 width and 250 height. So if you are adding an ad here, So this will be a horizontal unit, like 728 horizontally and 90 vertically. So this ad, we can also select this. So you need to know the placement, that where you want to add that ad. So we will talk in detail about the placement, the best placements for your website later on, but now I'm just teaching you about adding the a new AdSense unit. So you can select, this is the recommended size here, 728. This is selected by default. This ad is something like this one. Now this will be an ad like this one. You can select this, that any size. These are recommended size, this 5R, because mostly advertisers target this sizes, invest money on this sizes. You can select from this. Otherwise you can click this option and can select from these as well. There are many options for you. For example, you say link, add links. These are the links unit. You say horizontal banners, so all the horizontal banners are here. The different sizes for horizontal banners. This is called horizontal banner, this one. If you want to say something like vertical banner, then you will see this kind of sizes: 300 by 600, 300 by 1550, and these sizes. So but there is a very special ad unit which is responsive. So in order to maximize your revenue with AdSense, always select responsive ad, because there is a very special reason for this. You should always use responsive AdSense ads as well as responsive website theme or template, because the special reason for this is mostly people visit your website from mobile phones, tablets and iPhones etc, because nowadays Google and all other big companies are focusing on mobile devices, because there are visitors from desktop devices, but also there are too much potential in mobile devices. So you have to optimize your website for mobile devices as well. So first of all, your website design layout or your template or your theme must be responsive. Whenever you select a theme or design for your site, just check whether it's responsive or not. Responsive means it will be automatically adjusted on different devices. If your website is if someone is visiting your website from tablet, it will be adjusted on the screen. Someone is visiting your website from a big screen, that will be adjusted there. So after you have a responsive theme, you just select this responsive ad. What does this responsive ad unit do? Simply, the ad will be automatically adjusted to the space available in the device. This is a very good strategy. The next thing is to select the ad type. There are three types: text and display ads. Display ads only, text ads only. The text and display ads mean there will be images ads. This is image ad, or you can say some kind of some ads like animated ads and image ads and video ads. These all ads are display ads. And text ad is simply a text ad. For example, if I can find on my another website, I will check another website. This is display ad, mean a picture. This is also a picture. I will just open up a single post, and this is the text ad, only text. This is picture ad and this is text ad. So always select text and display ads, because this will give you more revenue whenever someone is visiting your website. So Google will automatically show them relevant ads, whether it's display ad, image ad, or animated ad, or text ad. Whenever it is appropriate, Google will show them. If you select only display or only text, then you will lose some money, because money is in the units, whether text ad or whether display ad banner. So always select that. Now the last thing for this is custom ad channel. You can add any name to this this specific, I mean this is the common name for this ad unit, but if you want to add a channel, you can add here. First of all, you have to create a new channel. You can create a new channel and then can add a name to it, or you can simply give it a name here. What this will do, you can track the progress or the statistics of this specific ads using that custom name channel, this one. So you will know, if you add that unit to this place, you will see how many people are clicking this ad on daily basis and how many impressions this ad is getting. So you can also add that name, but I usually don't use this because I can easily trace this by this ad name and also by website. Actually, I have added URL channels here. You can see this option. So after you did this, just click save and get code, and you can change the ad styles. That is also here you can see text ad style. Just click this. The default style right now will be this one. You can see here for this ad. If you want to change the border, you can change from here. Or you can change title from here, or you can just background color, font family and font size and text etc. This is by default. If you want any other, just click this one, colorful. This one is dark reverse, this one is minimize, and this one is neon. Anyways, if you want to click a specific, just these are not clickable, but I don't know, click copy in it. Okay, so style name, you can give it any name and then select a color from here. For example, the border will be like this, and title will be in this color, background will be this one, and font family will be this, and font size will be small or after, text will be and this color. Now you see this, and URL you can also change. You can give this style a new name because you can use it later on any ad unit in the future. So just I will say test1. Now save. After you saved, so this is your ad, and you can use this style which has been added here. You can see to the list of styles. You can use this anytime later. That's it. Now click save and get code, and you will see this code here. This is the dynamic or responsive ad unit code. Now you have to just copy this ad and paste it into your website source code wherever you want it to display. So if you are using WordPress, as I'm using WordPress for this website, so I will come to WordPress and go to the source code wherever I want to display it. If I want to display it here, I have option in the theme. This one I'm using the Sahifa theme. I will go to theme, from here, and there is an option for ads, to ads, Google ads or any other ad. Just I will click this ad setting, and for top banner I have added that code already here to this place, this one, but I can paste it here and just click save. But if you don't have this option in WordPress, then go to appearance and then editor. You will see all the code of your site. So if you want to add this to single page, then go to single.php page, single post here, click it, and there you will find all of your code, PHP code. You can paste your ad anywhere. I have pasted an ad, a Google ad or here just below the title of single post. I mean this title, and after that I have posted this dynamic ad, so it will display the ad. It will adjust the ad automatically to the device screen. So you can also paste it here, or if you want to add it to header, then find the header.php page here. This is the header. Click header.php and you can add it here anywhere in the header if you want, or if you have a theme. This is very simple thing. Inside Blogger you can go to this option, layout, and can add a new widget and can directly add Adsense from here. You can see Adsense. Just click it, and if your account is with the same email, then you can directly add from here. Otherwise, if you have a code, then add another widget called HTML JavaScript. This one, add it, paste the code that we have already copied from there, give it any title, or if you don't add any title, then does not matter, just click it, save it. So this has been added, HTML and JavaScript, save arrangement. Now when you visit the blog, you will see the ad, but this ad will be displayed after 10 minutes because this has been created right now. You can see this is the blank space for the ad, but the ad will appear after 10 minutes when you create a new ad here in Adsense. So when you paste that, exactly after 10 minutes, that will appear on your website. That's it for creating the new ad unit in Adsense. But one more important thing here, I want to tell you about this URL channels. Click this URL channels and click new URL channel. How many websites you have, always do add them using this URL channels. I have around 5 websites. I use Adsense on 5 websites. You can add 500 websites to this list. So always use, whenever you want to use Adsense on your website, add that website to this list. Just click new URL and post write like this, http://onlinetutoring.com. You write your address like this and then click add URL. So your URL will be added to this list and you will see active. So why this is important? Because I told you now, I use this syntax for tracking my visitors and my earning from different websites, because I did not add custom name to ad unit. Therefore, because I use URL channels to track traffic and earning from different websites. So this was a simple thing to tell you about adding Adsense to your website, and I hope you have understood very easily, because this is an easy thing, and some more options we will discuss in this Adsense account later on after we complete all other steps. So stay tuned, we are coming back, and in the next video I will tell you the best placements for adding Adsense units to your website.